Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Frank Enemo. I'm an IT instructor at Untitled Computer Center in Lekki, Lagos State. In today's class, we'll be looking at the use of copy, cut, paste, format printer in MS Word. I enjoy you to follow along with the class to understand the use of these awesome commands that are designed to us by Larry Tesla. Enjoy the class. Thank you. And pastes. Okay, so first of all, let's go and make some selection of text. I'm going to make a selection. Ctrl C can copy for me, and I come back to my office and I can say Ctrl V. Alright, so Ctrl V can paste, and I can decide not to use Ctrl V to paste, because if I press Ctrl V, it will paste it with the format that the application or what I copied came with. But a better way to paste is to paste only the text. Okay, so I can say keep text only. Alright, just go to paste. Instead of pressing Ctrl V, you are going to paste to click. We click on the arrow below the paste, and then we see the last option there, keep text only. So keep text only makes it possible for us to paste just that text, okay, and not with the format that it came with. So if you see this text that we just paste here, and then this particular one above, they are the same text, but this one came with the format from the place where we copied it, okay. But that notwithstanding, I can also hold on this and I say format print, and I say clear all formatting. So clearing all formatting will remove all the formats that document came with. So I can select them and I say clear all formatting. So that will remove all the format that it came with and make it to be on the same kind of format with this one. So now I can only copy where I have both editable file and non-editable file. Okay, so even here I can copy from here to copy, Ctrl C, and I will paste, Ctrl V. Alright, so another method of pasting, I can also use copy and paste to replace what I don't want to be in my document. Let's say I want to replace this text with this read more below. Okay, I can copy it, select this particular text and say paste, Ctrl V. So that will replace that text with this particular one. Alright, so the same thing also applies to copy. I can also use copy to replace something. I can make a copy, cut. I can cut this thing out. Ctrl X is cut, or I click on this particular scissors eye command here. So I can use cut to replace something. I can use it to also replace this, and the same way I paste when I copy is how I'm going to paste when I cut. So I will say Ctrl V. So it has replaced that particular text that I selected. Alright, so even though that I copied and paste, I can copy and paste as many times as I want. So I can decide to paste those particular texts, paste them as much as I want. So I can now have them in particular. So the same thing, I can decide to select, even though I'm not copying and pasting, I can also type a text and it will replace what I have selected. So I can say Vanguard Nigerian website. I can make it to the capital letter, probably increase it you can always visit our font video so you can see how we can change a text, different font sizes, capital letter, make it to be big in size and all that. Okay, so now what I want us to look at today is how we can divide our work into column. Alright, so having understood cut, copy and paste, you go ahead to work on it, to check them out. You can look up for our other subsequent classes and see how you can apply what we have learned. So also in this class too, we can learn how to format printer. Format printer actually. So format printer means it changes the format of something and place it in another thing. Okay, let's say I give this particular text here, I make it to have a red color and probably the font style to be, click on the font style to be Arial or Times New Roman. So I can increase it, make it to be bigger. Alright, so I can copy this format that I have here and place it on another text. So I can select it, click on format printer, then go to the text that I want to change this format to. Probably these last 3 lines here. I simply select them, remove my key. I have changed them from the format they were before. Before now they are calibrate 11 font style and automatic black color, but now they are Times New Roman 16 font style and red in color. It did not replace the text, it only copied the format in that text and replace it with another text. So that's it. Thank you, and meet you in the next